This video is to complete the assignment for cybersecurity, my cybersecurity program at GCU, the Cyber Warfare and Applications class 505. The assignment is understanding the complexities of data transmission and how it relates to the information technology field is a key foundation to comprehending the digital world. How does data flow? Where is it most secure? What are the differences within a technical system as it relates to data in a computer system and across a network? Create a 2 to 3 minute video for novice cybersecurity students, such as myself, addressing the following. 1. Discuss the difference in data at rest, in use, and in transmission. 2. Explain how you would secure the data. 3. Describe how the strategy changes depending on whether it's in use, at rest, or in transit. I answer this way. Data transmission depends on delivery, the system's ability to transmit data to an intended recipient. It also depends on real-time accuracy, that the data stays unchanged during transmission and is delivered in real time. A data transfer mechanism is the primary mechanism for transferring data across different types of networks, such as LANs, local area networks, that utilize Ethernet, wireless networks, or fiber optics to relay data. Digital transmission uses advanced coding and error checking techniques to ensure data reliability and integrity, and it is versatile, supporting a range of data types such as text, voice, and video, as well as streaming and VoIP, voice over IP solutions. In order to secure data transmissions, it is vital to utilize encryption methods and secure communication protocols. Data encryption is a core component of modern-day data protection, helping businesses protect data in transit, in use, and at rest. Data encryption is the process of converting information via an encryption algorithm into a secret code of cipher, which is indecipherable to anyone but the intended recipient of the encrypted data. Data in transit, or data in motion, is data moving from one place to another, such as via email, instant messengers like WhatsApp, and video conferencing solutions like Teams. Other forms of data in transit are sharing files over a corporate network, uploading files between a local computing environment and a cloud-based solution, data moving between a web app and a browser, or transferring data from a USB drive to a laptop. Data in motion refers to that data in transmission across the internet or within a corporate network or LAN. Data in motion is less secure than data at rest, given its exposure while traveling across the internet or between computers across the network. Data can be compromised when it is intercepted or compromised while in travel across a network that is outside the user's direct control. This makes data in transit a prime target for attack by unauthorized users. For data in transit, businesses often encrypt using secure connections such as HTTPS, SSL, TLS, or encrypt the data prior to transmitting it. It is also important to protect the network transmitting the data with access control and firewalls to block unauthorized access to the network services and the devices on it. Traveling data is exposed to unique risks that data at rest is not. It is susceptible to eavesdropping attacks such as spoofing or sniffing that intercept data in transit. Data leakage can occur if data in transit is sent to the wrong recipient, i.e. through email, or if the data is transmitted to a malware-infected device or site, which could open up the user to ransomware attacks, for example. Intercepting data packets is much easier for attackers than breaching a corporate firewall to attack in-rest data. Sorry, lost my spot. Data at rest is inactive data, which is not traveling from one device or network to another. This data tends to be stored so that it is at less risk for attack through transmission, such as with data in transit. This type of data is any that is stored in a database or on a local device, such as a spreadsheet on one's desktop or video stored on one's mobile device. Common ways to protect data at rest is through the use of encryption, firewalls, and security software. Data at rest is often targeted by attackers because it often has a higher level of sensitive information, for example, a USB drive storing sensitive documents, than data in transit. Data in use refers to that data accessed or consumed by an employee or business application. Whether it is being read, processed, or changed Data in this state is at its most vulnerable because users have direct access to it, making it susceptible to insider attack or human error. Encryption here is key to protect this type of data, and user authentication and appropriate permissions for data access should be utilized to protect data in use. Encryption plays a key role in protecting each of these three types of data, whether it be protecting sensitive information while it is being accessed or transmitted, or encrypting files before they are stored. Best practices for data in transit are to build solid basics such as firewalls and authentication while implementing automatic policies that block malicious files, prompt users when they are at risk, and encrypt their data in transit. Encrypting email also ensures that the data contained therein is safe, along with any data in its attachments. For data in use, identity management is especially important for user authentication, and it is also key to manage the right to appropriately access the data in use. For data at rest, a user could consider full hard disk encryption in the case of a stolen laptop, or mobile device management, MDM, which limits data access to business applications, blocks devices that fall into the wrong hands, and encrypts mobile data. My sources are Digital Transformation Explained through Network Britannica, a website, 2023, a reference site, and SPAL 2022, What is Data Transmission and How to Ensure Smooth Data Flow, from the Electronic Data Interchange Category Journal. Thank you.